I have always had a passion for storytelling. As a child, I was captivated by the powerful testimonies of individuals overcoming their toughest challenges. The stories of how Jesus brought them through their darkest moments filled my heart with hope. It wasn't until my senior year in college that I realized I wanted to transform this passion into a career. So I dove into writing. I studied the art of storytelling in anime, falling in love with its unique narrative structures and vibrant imagery. The colorful visuals and emotional expressions captured my imagination. I also discovered the magic of cinematic orchestral music, which I believe tells a story without words. As a former orc dork, I felt a deep connection to the symphonies that painted vivid scenes in my mind. Despite my enthusiasm, financial constraints held me back from producing my own anime and films. For 10 years, I worked in the corporate world, earning a steady income but never letting go of my dream. I continued to write, consume inspiring content, and seek guidance from the Lord. During this time, I faced significant challenges, losing my mom to breast cancer, reconciling with estranged family members, leaving my church of 8 years, and eventually becoming a homeowner. Life felt like a whirlwind of slow and intense moments. With unwavering determination, I founded my LLC, vowing to create stories that inspire joy, motivation, and the love of Jesus. Financial hurdles persisted, so I attempted to start a clothing store to raise capital, but it didn't pan out. I then made a bold decision. I left my corporate job. This should have been liberating, and it was, yet I still lacked the funds to realize my dream. Undeterred, I poured my heart into writing. I meticulously fleshed out my story ideas, constructing timelines and outlines. Just when I thought I needed a miracle, a friend gifted me a Mac laptop and a display monitor. I took this as a sign from God to forge ahead. I still felt overwhelmed by the need for resources, but an unexpected thought emerged. AI. Initially, I dismissed the idea, but I soon realized I had no other option. After some research, I explored AI tools that could assist in bringing my creations to life. I even withdrew money from my retirement fund to invest in these resources. It was a journey filled with trial and error, but I persevered. Eventually, I produced a 4-minute episode of my first story. Shadow Resistance is about resilience, faith, and winning life's battles. It reflects my personal journey of loss, forgiveness, and independence. Through it all, the Lord has kept me. As I continue this journey, I'm reminded of powerful verses that inspire me. You intended to harm me, but God intended it all for good. He brought me to this position so I could save the lives of many people. Genesis 50:20 NLT. The Lord makes poor and makes rich. He brings low and lifts up. He raises the poor from the dust and lifts the beggar from the ash heap to set them among princes and make them inherit the throne of glory. For the pillars of the earth are the Lord's, and he has set the world upon them. 1 Samuel 2:7-8 NKJV. Some trust in chariots and some in horses, but we trust in the name of the Lord our God. They are brought to their knees and fall, but we rise up and stand firm. Psalms 27-8 NIV. This is just the beginning. I believe in the miracles that will emerge from this journey. Join me as I create more stories that uplift and inspire.